7 habits of highly successful people. How to be successful in life. Hi guys, my name is Lena Seminek and welcome to my YouTube channel Psychology of Happiness, where happiness is the purpose of life. Before we will talk about 7 habits of successful people, I would like to ask you what should I add to my new studio. This is in my home in Los Angeles and I have several ideas. I'm not sure exactly how it's gonna be at the end, and if you have any ideas, I will really appreciate your advice. And now let's go back to the topic and talk about 7 habits of highly successful people. Success means different things for different people. For one person it might be money, financial success, becoming a millionaire or billionaire. For another person it might be about status, social status, being a boss, being a manager, being a vice president, being a president, being a president of the neighborhood community. It might be some volunteering organization, and it might be not about money but more about status. For the third person, success might mean winning a gold medal in sport. And for another person, success might be about fighting some disease and being healthy and survive in hard time situation. No matter what success means to you, there are 7 habits that all successful people share. So let's start. The first habit of successful people is to have a goal. All successful people have goals. You need to know your destination. Where are you going? Because if you don't know your final point, then you might spend years going to a wrong direction. So if you don't know your goal, your chance of success is almost zero. All successful people have goals, and you can modify your goal, you can adjust your goal, you can even change your goal during the process, but you should have a goal. You need to know where are you going. Second habit of successful people is do not give up. You will make mistakes, you will fail, and you will fail multiple times, and it will be a lot of times when you want to give up, a lot of times when you feel like it's not working, I can't do it anymore. But the most important thing is do not give up. Take your mistakes as your lesson and move forward towards your goal. Do not give up. The third habit of successful people is to take responsibility for your own life and for every decision that you make. Successful people take responsibility for every failure and for every success. So stop blaming others, forget about excuses, and move forward. Take responsibility for everything you do, and remember, if you don't do anything, that's also your decision. No matter if you do something or you decided not to do something, take responsibility for both situations, for your life and for the decision that you make. If you made the bad decision, take responsibility, take it as a lesson, and move forward towards your goal. The fourth habit of successful people is to keep learning. Be open to new information. Learn about your industry, especially if success means money for you or you want to grow your business. You have to know new information, what's happening in the world, how other people doing in your area. Learn from other successful people, read books, watch information online, find new resources for your success. Do not stop. Keep learning and be open for any opportunity that comes to your life. The fifth habit of successful people is self-discipline and time management. No one is gonna push you towards your success. If you cannot discipline yourself, then the chance of the success is zero. People might laugh at you. People might say that you're wasting your time. So that's why it's very important to have self-discipline and keep going. You need to have a time frame for your goal. Time management is extremely important key of the success. You have to have a plan, a schedule, how you're gonna reach your goal. You need to have a plan for month, for a week, for a quarter of the year, for the year. Create your own plan and keep going. If you need to put aside less important things and get extra time for your goal, do it. Stop wasting your time spending hours checking your friends' pictures on Facebook and Twitter. Stop wasting time on spending hours watching TV. And you might also limit your time with friends. If you need extra time for your goal, create that time. So time management and self-discipline is extremely important to be successful in life. The seventh habit of successful people is to take risks. You cannot win a lottery if you don't buy a ticket. And a lot of people are afraid to risk because of failure. And yes, it might happen and you will fail, and you will fail several times, and you might risk and not get to your goal. But at the same time, you might risk and achieve your goals. The question is, are you willing to risk towards your goal? Are you willing to risk and have the life that you really want? Or you want to sit and regret because you did not try? The choice is yours. I also recommend to read the book 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, written by Stephen R. Covey. I will leave the link to the book below this video. Check it out. And if money means success for you, then check out my video, How to Become Rich Using Positive Thinking. Ask your questions below, write your comments, your thoughts, share your ideas about my studio and just about life, about success. And remember, your question might be the topic of my next video. Subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, Facebook, Twitter, and thank you for watching Psychology of Happiness, where happiness is the purpose of life.